Yeah, hi friends, this is Tapas and welcome to this video. So in this video we will learn branding with the help of large language model like ChatGPT. There are lots of large language model like Copilot is there, Gemini is there, but for this particular video I will use ChatGPT, a large language model. We will learn branding, how we can do our branding. Okay, so what is branding means, suppose you are a product creator, suppose you have created some product, like it may be a physical product, it may be a digital product, or you have just created a company, a service based company, or you want to promote that product, and as of now no one knows about your brand, no one knows about your product. So what will happen is, you want to create some brand value, you want to create some brand awareness. So those things you want to do, but you are clueless how you will do those things. So what you can do is, you can take the help of large language model like ChatGPT. So previously what happens, you need to go, you need to hire a person, you need to consult with the person, expert person, and then they will charge you some money, they will provide some sort of time, half an hour, 1 hour, they will accordingly they will charge you also. So now what you can do is, in the age of artificial intelligence, you can do it for free with your leverage time. Okay, with your free time, whenever you are free, that time you can use it, you are not supposed to pay any money as well. So what you have to do, you need to know how to speak with that large language model. So as of now, I will provide you the prompt, you can copy it, paste it, and then replace your content, you will see the magic. So you are not supposed to write the entire prompt for this particular topic. Okay, so what is prompt? Prompt is nothing but your question, your query, your statement, that's it. Okay, so what is branding? Suppose you have one product, you have one service, you want to promote it, you want to create your brand value, you want to publish that this name is exist in the world, this name is exist, this brand is exist, this products are exist here. Okay, so that is what you want to publish. Okay, so now we will take the leverage of ChatGPT and we will learn how I can do the branding properly. Okay, so as I already told you, it's a large language model. ChatGPT is a large language model. It follows some pattern, it follows some algorithm, it has some best practices, some rules you need to follow. So for this particular video, I will use one advanced prompt that is called gameplay pattern. So what is gameplay pattern? Gameplay pattern means, I will tell ChatGPT, I will give a role to ChatGPT, that hey ChatGPT, you pretend that you are expert in this subject, in that domain, you are expert, you have maybe 10 years, 20 years, 30 years experience you have on this domain. So you treat like that way, you pretend yourself like that way, and then I am your student, I don't know anything about branding, or I have intermediate level understanding. No, I have only intermediate level understanding, and my goal is, I want to create my brand, or I want to create my brand from scratch, or I already have an existing brand, I want to publish it so that a lot of customers become aware about my brand. So that is any kind of goal it may be. In your case it might be different. So what is your goal? You want to create your brand, or you already have a brand that you want to publish? So anything. Now let's play a game on this. So I will play a game with this domain, with this topic. Our topic is branding, and we will play a game. So ChatGPT is an expert person. He has it has 10 years or 20 years experience on branding, and I am a beginner, I don't have any knowledge about branding. So now let's play a game. So how the game rules should be there, right? So the game rules are like, you will ask me the question, I will provide you the answer, and after providing the answer, you will review my answer whether it is correct or wrong. If it is correct, then it is okay. If it is not correct, then you will correct it, and then you will provide the best answer as well, better answer as well. Suppose I have given a suppose you will correct my answer, then you will provide the better answer, and then you will ask me the next question. So likewise, every day I will practice with you for 30 minutes per day. 30 minutes I will practice with you, or per day 1 hour I will practice with you, or you will every day you will ask me 20 questions, every day you will ask me 30 questions, every day you will ask me 50 questions about that subject. So I will provide the answer, you will review it, you will correct it, and then you will ask me the next question. Okay, so this is the game and this is the rule of that game. Okay, so now what will happen is ChatGPT will ask me, I will provide the answer, ChatGPT will correct it, and then it will provide the better answer. So what will happen is, in like this way, I will master that. I will learn a lot of knowledge about branding, and that knowledge, that tips, that tricks, I will apply for my branding purpose. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you will get intermediate level, even beginner to intermediate level, even the advanced level idea you will get from ChatGPT for for any topic. But you need to know how to, write an effective prompt. So for this particular video, I have already written it, so I will just copy it, and then I will go to ChatGPT, and then I will paste it. So this is the interface of ChatGPT. Now I am telling ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, pretend that you are a branding expert with years of experience in developing brand identities for businesses. So here I am giving a role to ChatGPT that you are already expert in this domain. So that role I am giving to you, and now I am telling about myself. I am your trainee. I don't know anything, or I have intermediate level understanding about branding. I want to learn how to create and maintain a strong brand. So I want to create a brand, or I want to maintain that brand in a strong way. Okay. So now I'm giving a task to ChatGPT. You will ask me questions one after another to help me understand branding concepts and techniques. So I'm giving a task. You will ask me questions one after another to help me understand branding concepts and techniques. And now I will answer your questions. You will review my answer, correct it if needed, and then provide a better response if available. Then you will ask me the next questions. So likewise, every day you will ask me 20 questions, or per day you will ask me 20 questions, 10 questions, or 50 questions, 5 questions, like this. Ask me the first questions. So now I think you have got the idea how to write an effective prompt. Now this is it. This is one of the advanced prompt anyway. So let's, okay, so now see the response. What ChatGPT is saying: great, let's dive into branding. Question number 1 is, what do you think a brand is and why it is important for a business? So what do you think a brand is? A brand, I think, I'm not sure, maybe incorrect. I think a brand is a name of trust. A brand is a name of trust. And why it is important for a business? For it is important, I will say shift enter. It is important because for a long run business, our name is very important. Our name is very important, so that customers can identify. I don't know whether it is correct or wrong. Anyway, not an issue. If it is correct, it okay. If it is not correct, ChatGPT will correct me, or ChatGPT will provide me the better answer as well. So let's see how it works. So now it's analyzing my answer. Your answer is on the right track, but it can be expanded for clarity and depth. Here is an improved response. See, in the first line it is telling that my answer is on the track, but it's not correct. But it can be expanded for clarity and depth. So what is a brand? A brand is more than just a name. It represents the identity, values, and promises a business. Okay, promises a business communicates to its audience. It encompasses elements like the business logo, messaging, and the emotions it evokes in customers. Okay, a strong brand builds trust and recognition, helping business stand out in the market. It is crucial for long-term success because it fosters loyalty and makes customer more likely to choose the brand repeatedly. Okay, so see, the first thing is ChatGPT has corrected my answer. ChatGPT said it is on track, but it is not correct. So it can be more in depth and detailed. So now ChatGPT has given me the detailed answer. What is a brand is and why it is important. ChatGPT has given me. After providing this thing, so as of now, I have got the idea that what is a brand and why it is important. I did not know it, but as of now I know it. Now it is asking me the next question after providing the answer. What are the key elements that make up a brand? Suppose I don't know this question's answer, so I will say sorry, I don't know. Anyway, you can provide any answer if something is coming in your mind, so you can share with that. Anyway, ChatGPT will correct it. But for this answer, suppose I'm writing sorry, I don't know, please reply, or please you answer. So now ChatGPT will, let's see how it goes. No problem. Here is the answer. The key elements that makes up a brand includes a brand name, the unique identifier for your business, okay, logo and visual identity, then the brand voice, tagline or slogan, brand values, customer experience, emotional connection, all these things. Each of these elements works together to create a cohesive and recognizable brand. See, it has given me the answer. So what are the key elements that make up a brand? Then here is the answer. So I said I don't know, please explain or please give me the answer. Then ChatGPT has clarified all the detailed information. So as of now, I also know what is a brand, why it is important, and what are the key elements. So like this way, it is asking the next question, because I already informed ChatGPT that he will ask me 20 questions per day so that I can master that subject. Okay, so now it is asking me the next question. Can you name a brand you admire and explain why do you think it's strong? So I will say Google, and then why you think it is strong? Uh, because I say it provides value. Even EA also, Amazon also, it provides value to the customers. It provides not only value and trust. It provides value and trust to the customers. Let's see how ChatGPT give me the better answer. Great choice. Google is intended a strong brand. Here is a slightly refined explanation. So it is correct, but ChatGPT is giving me the more better answer. Google is a strong brand because it consistently delivers value, innovation, and relatability, okay, to its customers. It's a user friendly service, like the search engine, then Gmail and Google Maps solve a real world problem effectively. The brand has built trust and credibility by maintaining high standards of quality and innovations over time, making it a household name globally. So see, the first thing is I have given the answer. ChatGPT corrected my answer. Then ChatGPT has given me the better answer as well. And then ChatGPT is asking me the next question. So now I think you have got the idea. Then how we can play with the large language model. So like this way, ChatGPT will ask me 20 questions per day. Okay. So in your case, it can be modified. You can say 30 questions, 50 questions, 100 questions per day. So ChatGPT will ask you that question, you will provide the answer. So what will happen is, like this way, if you follow, if we follow that way, if you follow this process, so what will happen is, we will master that subject, that's branding. We will learn a lot of things about branding, and those things I can implement for my business, for my client's business. I can implement that thing. So like this way I will master this subject, branding. But the thing is, you need to know how to write an effective prompt. If you how to know how to speak with a large language model, because if you ask the question randomly, you will get the random answer. But you need to modify it, you need to ask in a standard manner. Okay, because it follows some pattern, it follows some algorithm, right? So if you want to learn more about ChatGPT prompt engineering, there is one course, ChatGPT prompt engineering mastery course, beginner to advanced level course it is. You will learn a lot of things. Here I have used only one advanced prompt. There I think 250 plus advanced prompts are available. So you will learn a lot of things if you want to master how to write an effective, and all the industries are available there. I think 75 plus industries are available there. For all the industries you will get the prompt. At the same time, if you want to get 10,000 plus advanced and premium ChatGPT prompts, that is also available. You can enroll in and you can practice it. Just you need to copy it, paste it, and then replace your content, and you will see the magic. Okay, so yeah, so that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.